In today's video, we show you how to check the battery status on the Hisense U7 ENQ. So stay tuned, we will show you that. We have the Hisense U7 ENQ here, and it has the option to display battery status in the menu. So you always know, do I need to charge my remote or do I have enough battery? For this, you actually just need to go to the settings and then scroll down to this point here. And this is called system. And you then need to scroll down. So to system, then to the right. And here next to the advanced settings. And here, when we go in, you will find the menu item battery status. So scroll down. And battery level of the remote. And here we see that we still have 97%. That here means we do not need to charge our remote. I think that is a great point. So I don't have to check every time. So I still have enough batteries or are they empty? And I see that directly in the menu. Do you have any questions about this guide? Then feel free to use the comment function. We say thank you for watching and goodbye.